Our next focus is to edit our template. So editing your template is probably making it look more appealing and more presentable. So there are some areas that you would have to focus. If you want to change the entire template, there's a way of doing it, and I'll show you how to do it. If you want to change template by template too, I'll show you how to do it. So I'll click on it, and then I choose to, this is the current theme, that is a dark background, a dark theme. I can choose a light theme, and then these two hash, the cream theme, this theme, most doing theme. So what this does is that whenever you select a theme, it goes along with the colors you want to use for it, changes the colors of the text as well, so to match the background you choose. If I don't want this one, I would have to click here, and that is where I can select my original background. Yes, so this one doesn't change any text. This is also for a font formatting. So if you want to change your font, this is where you come. So let's just maintain it with this one, and then we come to the same font formatting. You can make it bold, heavy, and a whole lot. Yes, and then we can't use this one because we don't have paragraph here. We can save the theme too. So let me just save it to soft theme. Change one page at a time. Yes, so you see that when you check here, it's changing the pages for me one page at a time. So I can change this one to black. I can come here, back again, and then select page, and then change this to this, and then come here and select again, and then change this to most. Yes, so now we have it. You can choose to also reset everything, and then everything will go back to default. You can choose to auto make the color, and yes. So now we are done with editing our theme. We move on to adding the voice. Adding a voice or recording a video as well. So to record a video, you click here, and then you select either the voice or the camera in order to record. So when you select it, when you just click on it, your webcam would start working, and then you can record it. And then there's a black here. This is where your picture or your image appears. Again, we are back to the next session of this tutorial, and the next session will focus on adding external links or elements, and also adding another presentation slide, and sharing with your team how to comment and then rename your presentation, and the difference between presentation outline, and then story in TOME. Let's begin. The first we say is to add elements and links. To add any element or link, you have to come to the plus sign. So we have the element here. So you can choose to add another text to it. Let me just try it. So this is it. I can choose to just type in whatever I want. Choose to align it. You have possible ways of aligning it to the right, to the left, to the center, and to the right. I can choose to make it go to the top. Now it's at the top. I can choose to make it come in the middle, or I can choose to make it come below, whatever you want it to be, but I'll choose it here. Okay, so we have an image, so I can choose to bring an image here, and then I would upload an image. Yes, so I've uploaded an image, and that is very simple to do. I can fill the image, I can custom the image, adjust it to whatever height I want, and then that is it. Get a caption for it at the top. So let's see, YouTube, or I can say, yeah, so I can just make it like this way, and then I can decide to change the color of the area, the free area. Yeah, yes, so I just prefer to make it black. Yes, so let me just leave it like this. Yes, so our next element again is the DAL, the DALL hyphen E. The DALL hyphen E, what it does is that it allows you to generate pictures, automatic pictures for your presentation. So let me try it. Okay, let me try to delete this one, and then let me use the yes. So what I'll do, I will try to, it uses prompt. So what I'll do is that I'll try to use a prompt to work on it. So let's say, because it's something about software, so I'll say a guy holding social media icons, and now click enter. So the prompt would scan through online or through its model, and then it's try to generate me a picture. Yes, so wonderful. So it has generated for me a picture, a wonderful picture I requested. That is amazing. So I just use this one. Yes, so I can choose to use any of which I like. So yes, so our next element to use is a video. So I can choose to bring a video inside. Let me see if I have a video to upload. Okay, so I'll just choose this video and then I'll play it. Yes, so you can choose to bring a video in and then it plays correctly. Yes. You can choose to say repeat it. You can choose to autoplay, and yeah, you are true. You can choose to add captions to it as well. So what I'll do next is also to add an element again, that is GIFing. I can choose to add a GIFing, but I don't have any GIFing image in mind, so I would not work on it now. You can choose to add a table. So you can choose to add a table that says, let me say, item, and then the next area is amount. Yeah, so I can just do one shoe. So next, what I want to do next is also let me just try to add another element and change the text. Yes, so I can choose to add another element again, that is Figma. So yes, so for Figma, I just go to the Figma website. So I'll just copy the link here and then bring it to TOME and then paste it on TOME, and I'll click enter, and we would have our image there. Yes, so that is exciting. Yes, so our next element is also Airtable. I don't think most of us will use that. The web link, you can choose to add a web link. Okay, so I've added a web link to it, so you can even maneuver yourself through the web link. Yeah, so that is all about the web link. And then our next one is to add a Twitter link. Let me just go to my account. So this is my account, and yes, let me bring the link to Tome and I'll paste it. Yeah, so like you can add a lot of them here. Share with our team. So if I want to share this presentation with my team, I'll just click on it, and then I can share with anyone here just by clicking here. Anyone can play TOME, and then I can also give access to people from here. So I can say full access, can edit, can only comment. So let me leave can only comment here, and yeah, so I can add my previous link. So that is great. So I've added it, and then if you want to comment on anything, you just say nice presentation, and then I'll just leave a comment here. So whoever comment would appear here. The next one is you can duplicate this page, you can rename it. So I can say, okay, so I can rename it to 1. Yes, so you can rename it and decide to also play your slides. So that is all about TOME.